What's up, guys? Yeah, welcome back to my channel. Don't know, say yours truly, Dex Media. So you at Dex Media home. This is my room, and we here doing a vlog right now because I'm gonna do a little room makeover. They're gonna do some painting, gonna change some furnitures and all that. It's been a while I've been of it like this, but I decided that I need to do an upgrade because I don't know, say I'm gonna do some tutorials, like I'm gonna do like editing in my room and do like a vlog. So I'm gonna organize it so it can more comfortable and all that. So hope you guys enjoy this, and please remember to subscribe.
Think you start some of them.
Yeah man, that one you look like on the right. Spring, you feel firm. Yeah guys, so finding the furniture is so hard, but I'm still shopping around though to see if I can get a base. Yeah people, the whole place is a mess. Yeah man, I know so we can't do anything and not drink and I see it after I drink some. Okay.
Yeah, well, stay over here.
Yeah people, holy perk. Holy perk right now, I'm tired. Yeah man, and look at shot, you good, you see it? It's gonna go for you.
See if you can draw about this now. They reach right at the foot there, and that's something.
Oh. Well, if
So
you
this can go in there, can't
yes. So if you make can't turn.
Yeah man, we still up on the scene, you see it people. Holy perk right now, I'm tired.
Come, see if you put the belly so.
Mm-hmm.
Tell you we go so.
Okay.
So this is
Mm-hmm. Then your suit and your something then you have too much
Hey guys, so right now we take a break. Snack time, you see it? Just look about some plant now, right? So we just go on wall of 5. Painting tired me out. Nah, tell a lie, tired me out bad man. But me soon show the results still. We are going good so far, is it? Yeah man. Worry for work. Before I go on, we throw out everything out the door. Everything outside. You know, say it's a full makeover. Go on now. That's how I gonna know people. I'm on Dex Media apartment. You can see what they work though. What they on the finishing you know. Just the furniture them for coming to our place and finish up when it has been a long way people. Still, everyone is a whole heap of junk. I get rid of some of them junk, so see, then now I go back in the room. Yeah, man. It's kind of hot outside.
Yeah. Yeah. And so it is soak and then chill it over. Yeah.
Yeah, guys, let's go. Yeah, guys, so basically, when you can see me use up a little ear there, right? That's right. That's store up my clothes and then something there. Alright? Especially like how the room is so small. I feel that there's more convenient. The fact that it faces to the wall. Yeah. So as you can see, paint nice and everything. Okay guys. So as you can see right now, this is a double bed. As you can see, a double bed. So the main reason I buy this double bed, the room is small and this house is upstairs and downstairs. So you don't know, say the higher the bed, yeah, it feels so comfortable and relaxing. Why may I tell you? I'm showing you. I'm showing you what. Guys, as you can see, comfortable and relaxing. Why? Back problem when I did have, I'm not gonna have it again. This bed here, yeah man, it comfortable and nice, man, I tell you. Yeah, so that's Little Dex Media. Even Little Dex Media love the bed. Alisa, how your bed feel? Lie down in your bed, I say. Lie down, lie down. Nice, good girl. Good girl. Even my little daughter will love it. Hey guys, I'm not fully completed, but actually, I want to order a bedding. I think the bedding will give it a nice spot. But I have to start from somewhere still. So, as you can see now, we are at here. I edit the workspace setup. It's not fully complete, but it's still working on. As you can see, I sit right there, right next to the bed. And as you can see, I do the review on this monitor the other day. So I have my monitor right up there, and I have my laptop right here as usual. So I'm not using the laptop screen again still, as I mentioned earlier in the video. And as you can see, you have my little radio right here same way. You don't know, so when I edit, I can always make sure so I listen to something nice music, keep me going. You understand? Yeah. And how could I forget Mr. Dex Media? That's the logo. Yeah, nice picture frame right there. Yeah guys, as you can see, when I edit, I have to drink one of them here. So I always keep my alcohol them right here. Alright? Alright, so for underneath here, I store my camera and lens. Yeah. And as you can see for the power, yeah, this is where my power are connected from. My data cables and everything. And I store my shoes underneath the bed and some other stuffs. So I find like a space for my shoes. So guys, basically that's it. As you can see. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you do like this video, please remember to share, subscribe, tag a friend, and if you have any suggestion how can improve on my workspace setup, and you can leave it in the comment section so we can improve on the workspace setup and in the room and everything. Come on, bless up on yourself. Peace out.